people know.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Maharaj, yesterday you were telling about the different God brothers
Huh?
who were very lovingly served by Srila Param Gurudev. So I heard a few things about his relationship with Srila Swami Maharaj. Maybe you can verify them or say something more to it. One was that he helped in purchasing the land where he had his first bhajan kutir in Mayapur. And another story I heard was that he was helping him even financially when he had some health problems here in Kolkata during his Grihastha pastimes. And he was giving a lot of financial support to him. Even it was more expenditure than the math's expenditure at one point.
Now that kind of help to Puri Goswami Maharaj, Gopinath Gaudiya Math founder. Financial help. And Swami Maharaj helped while he was admitted in the hospital. Then some help to him. And helped his disciples when Swami Maharaj sent them here. They are picked up in our mott, and first Achyutananda, then Bhavananda, then Jayapataka. They are staying in our mott, Achyutananda not less than 3 years, Bhavananda 2 years, and Jayapataka 1 year. They are staying here. That kind of help. And when Sridhar Maharaj, Ashram Maharaj, and one Puri Maharaj, Nisinghananda Prabhu, they are combined, start mott. But after some time, they are different in opinion. So, they are not like to stay together. Then Guru Maharaj settled their differences and gave the mott to the Sridhar Maharaj and a little finance to Ashram Maharaj and Nisinghananda. Because Sridhar Maharaj act as a guru, so the mott will not divide it. It is not possible for him in combined. And also the Keshav Maharaj and Madhusudan Maharaj, Paramahamsa Maharaj, they are not like to stay together. Then Guru Maharaj settled them. He gave the Devananda Gaudiya Math to Keshav Maharaj and one small mott in Bardhaman, Bardhaman, to Madhusudan Maharaj and some finance to Paramahansa Maharaj. It was settled by our Guru Maharaj. Even when the god brothers of Okinchan Maharaj, they are not support Gokinchar Maharaj. Then Guru Maharaj called them and decided that it is not good to change. Never do it. They listen the advice and they are staying together. Every problem is solved. And in 1947, when the Chaitanya Math and Bagh settled and divided into two parts, 32 branches every side. Then Kunjababu like to take the part of Bagh Gaudiya Math. But our Guru Maharaj not to take it. He told we can establish Gaudiya Math so much, but not to Chaitanya Math. So it is they compelled to take this part because there is nobody to take and maintain Seva Puja. It is not possible for them. Then they will let these things. And our Damodar Maharaj, the then Lokanath Brahmachari, he performed puja of Samadhi Mandir of Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur and Samadhi Mandir of Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Math and the Math of Chaitanya Math. 3 maths. He says. And every math they served by our God brothers that time. And in 1955 they tried to remove our Maharaj because first of all Tirtha Maharaj told you not giving mantra in Chaitanya Math. You may give in Jogabit's temple. Then Guru Maharaj follow these things. Then he told you give mantra in Shiva Sangan, not in Jogabit and Chaitanya Math. Then Guru Maharaj followed that things. Then you gave mantra in Murari Gupta part. Then he followed that verse. But then you give mantra in Rudradeep. But the newcomers who come to join the math, they are going to Rudradeep and they are taking a mantra from there. Then one of the his personality and your personality is far different. So if you will stay here, nobody will take any mantra from you. Then by the tricks, he remove one mouth. That is the cause. And first of all, Guru Maharaj is not willing to give mantra to anybody. But the request of them, our so many God brothers, Guru Maharaj accepted and taken sannyas from Vaikhanus Maharaj. And that's
He was giving mantra before taking sannyas also. Parangurudev, he was giving mantra even before taking sannyas
yes.
or after
Yes.
brahmachari was
Because they are
some.
request some of the, well, it is not good, because if you want people, then you have to take sannyas. It is the version of Keshav Prabhu. And if he took sannyas, I arrange for man. Then he went. That time they are a good reception to Guru Maharaj in Samananda Gaudiya Math. When after taking sannyas, he reached Samananda Gaudiya Math from Jagannath Puri. And not only that, they are with Bhagavajar Math. They are also come to our Math. Yesterday I told Jagannath Prabhu, and another is Thakur Das Prabhu, named Muni Maharaj. So many years. Guru Maharaj, welcome all. It is our duty to serve Vaishnava. We serve to Vishnu and Vaishnava. That is his principle. And immediately start Navadvip Parikrama. Not gap any year. If there was no arrangement, no room, nor anything, he had to start. And immediately restart Brajamandal Parikrama. And continue Brajamandal Parikrama every year. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then by the request of the devotees, he start Uttar Bharat, Northern India tours and Southern India tours. 1 year Northern India, 1 year in Southern India, and 1 year Brajamandal Parikrama. Not stop Parikrama. All the Parikrama, Brajamandal Parikrama, by camps. 18 camps, 19 camps, according to the capacity of this, with the deity of Lord Chaitanya, and carry the deity in shoulder. And first Navadvip Dham Parikrama with band, tasa, flute, and utter all. And also when Guru Maharaj reached in Mathura Junction for Brajamandal Parikrama 1956, then our god brother Dinabandhu Brahmachari, after taking who was Parvat Maharaj, passed his stay in Madhuvan. He is a very strong man. Physically, he was very strong. He take 1 quintal in one hand, not use two hand. And the champion of Mathura district, he cannot elect his hand. So they are all told, Guruji, Guruji. And perform parikrama without any fear. All the Gaudiya moths, they like to perform Brajamandal parikrama, they have to join with us, but not combined. They join separately. From Bhagavaja, Navadip Prabhu, Navarasananda Prabhu, and others, Nitai Das Prabhu, they are from Bhagavaja party. And separate party, Purushottam Prabhu, Raghav Chaitanya Prabhu of Kerala, Purushottam Prabhu from Gujarat, they are all ascetics, but they are settled in Vrindavan alone and perform Harinam. They are also perform parikrama with our Gurudev. Paramarthi Maharaj, Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj attend every year. Then Bandhu Babaji also attend. Padmanabh Maharaj attend. And Jajabar Maharaj, Shruti Maharaj, Vaikhanus Maharaj. Puri Maharaj, Hrishikesh Maharaj, Bharati Maharaj, all are joined with our party for performing Brajamandal Parikrama. And all the disciples of Keshav Maharaj, male and female, they are staying in Vrindavan. They are also performing parikrama with us. Madhusudan Maharaj disciple perform parikrama with us. Sridhar Maharaj disciple honors to perform parikrama with us. Because no Gaudiya moth perform parikrama in scam basis. And within very short time, Guru Maharaj established moth. On that very year, 1956, because the pilgrimage, they are very much satisfied. Why? When they perform parikrama, one lady from Calcutta named Sudhahasi Mukherjee, he fell in the oil, but no harm, no injuries, because he is expert of swimming. Immediately he leaped from the oil. Another, when our party reached to Barsana on foot, because every day we are going to foot, going on foot, not Tanga, not Arvind. Although there are 10 to 12 Tanga with us, those who are not able to walk, they can use Tanga. But nobody is like to use Tanga. You know Tanga?
Three-wheeler.
No, not three-wheeler. Two-wheeler. And carrying by horse. There, that very day, when we start for parikrama through first Sakiri Khor, Dohon Kundo, Mohon Kundo, and Gauharbon, then to Nilkuti, Moirgod, Dangod. That very day, there was a cloud. Then our Panda Balaram informed Guru Maharaj, I have a great doubt about your Jatri passenger. They are taking Govardhan Sila. So you feel troubles. One lady fell in the oil, and it is harmful to you if they are not returned the Govardhan Sila to Govardhan. Then Guru Maharaj declared, if anybody taken Govardhan Sila from Giridas, they return in the camp. We are not saying who bring it, but you have to pay 1.25 rupee as a prashchitta penalty. And then we arrange this new from Assam, and they are kept the Govardhan Sila. So many Govardhan Sila there. Then Guru Maharaj paid 5 rupees to Panda, return all the Sila in Govardhan with this, right? The Sila. And by bicycle from Barsana to Govardhan, and offer milk to Govardhan. That time we purchase milk 4 kilo a rupee. 4 kilo a rupee. They can arrange milk and seva puja. Then the cloud was done, and all the pilgrims saying sun, not cloudy. But Guru Maharaj stopped parikrama because it was object first So it is not wise to start parikrama this time. We start parikrama from tomorrow morning. Then parikrama. And there was an accident before. A tanga was fell down, but no injuries. Then one lady is very much influenced, and he told his son-in-law to help Mott purchase the land for the Mott. Then we purchase the land where Sri Chaitanya Gaudiya Mutt, when the Mott was installed, and installation ceremony of deities, then joined Giri Maharaj, Goswami Maharaj, Keshav Maharaj, Vaikhanasa Maharaj, Saraswati Maharaj, Acharya Maharaj, who living in Kama, Rishikesh Maharaj, Bharati Maharaj, Padmanabh Maharaj, Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, so many disciples of Prabhupada. They are attend the installation ceremony, a 5-day meeting, and 3-day utsav for all. The Minister of Central Government, K.C. Reddy, he also attended and inaugurated the meeting. Then the Giri Maharaj, B.S. Giri Maharaj, declared in the Mott, the Prabhupada sent to me and Paramananda Prabhu to purchase this plot. Prabhupada wish if we establish Mott here, then without any advertise, it is known by all. Because in the road to municipal office, where Ranganath temple, Govinda temple, etc., and another way to go to Bihari's temple. So it is in the main place. But it was not possible that time to purchase it. But now it was purchased by the Madhav Maharaj. It is by the will of Prabhupada, because Prabhupada desired this land. It is to Gaudiya Mutt. Not only that, every step Guru must consult with his god brothers. When the Sevaite trustee of Jagannath temple in Jashoda Sripat, they wrote a letter to Guru Maharaj in Haridwar camp, address collect from in charge of our Mayapur Mutt. Then they wrote a letter by postcard. Guru Maharaj told me, there is letter. What shall you do? I told, we are in a farm from that place, but the seva of Lord Jagannath, very old seva, and by the devotee, when Lord Chaitanya was a baby, 5 years old, that time he took prasad on the Ekadashi day by crying. They are trying to stop it by kirtan, but no stop. Then they asked the boy, how you will stop it? If the Jagadish and Hiranya Pandit, they prepare so many Naivedya for the deity, if you bring every item for me, then I will stop. Jagannath Mishra compelled to go there. And he opened his heart when they inquire. He know the news of Nimai, then they said. Then Jagadish Pandit told, you can easily take it. How to know the boy that we are preparing so many Naivedya? Your house is not near to our house, far distance. And today is Ekadashi. How know the boy? It proved. It is inspired by the God. Otherwise, how this young boy know that today is Ekadashi and we prepare this? Easily you learn. And he take these things and stop his crying. That Jagadish Pandit, he went to see when Lord Chaitanya left this world and took sannyas, and he reached to Jagannath Puri. Jagadish Pandit went there. And he liked to stay in Jagannath Puri, although that time Lord Chaitanya was not there. He likes to stay there. Then Jagannath told to Jagadish, you return to your place with me, because I like to go with you. The Pandas are abuse me in the Ratha Yatra, so I like to accompany you. Why? They offered you to me. I told Maharaja to give you a Jagannath Vigraha in the time of Navakolebor. They kept the old deities in Kaivalya Vaikuntha and they give you. Then how is it possible for me to carry the deity, a big one? I am like a sola. You can carry me with a bag, jhola, with stick. Then, but in this condition, when you keep the deity in the earth, I stay there, I am not to move from there. Then there, that Brahma, Jagadish Pandit, come to Jasoda because that place is Pradyumna Nagar. And Chakratirtha, when Bhagirath bring Ganga, his wheel of his chariot was there. That is called Chakratirtha. And Pradyumna, the son of Krishna, killed Sambarasur. So that is called Pradyumna Nagar. When the Vigraha is there, he was very weighty. When Jagadish Pandit keep it to a Brahmin, please take it for some time. I am going to taking bath and nature everything. When he returned, then the Brahmin crying, come soon, I am not your thing is so many weighty, I cannot keep it in my shoulder. So you soon come, otherwise you compelled to. Then he is in the earth. Then Jagannath smilingly told, I am not go to Mayapur. I stay here according to my condition. I stay here. Then the Maharaja, Nanudiya, no. You take it to your own place. If you keep here, then I have a duty to perform Seva Puja and arrange for the Seva Puja. So, what shall I do? The deity will not willing to go. They try by elephant, but no move of Jagannath. Then the Maharaja of Nadia gives so many land to maintain the Seva Puja. And there was a temple in Yasoda. So we know the fact. And Jagannath will. Then I request Guru Maharaj. We reply that we are in far distance. When I return to Calcutta and going to Mayapur, on the way we get down at Chagda rail station and see the place. Then we told our opinion. Guru Maharaj told me, write it. And said, you have sent. When we had returned from Delhi, Jaipur, Vrindavan to Calcutta, and in this condition that we are see this place, then we go there. Puri Goswami Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, so many, Itha Maharaj, Giri Maharaj, so many, a big party. And we see the place. Then Guru Maharaj told, I send money every month for the Shiva Puja. If you perform Shiva Puja, it is very good because you are the incarnation of Jagadish Pandit. And he graced Jagadish Pandit. So, they are not ready. Then Guru Maharaj met Sridhar Maharaj. What shall I do? Sridhar Maharaj told, you take it. Because you have no old seva. Understand? Old seva. Old seva means?
Since long time it is already going on.
No. The devotees of Lord Chaitanya who perform Seva Puja from long time. So, then Guru Maharaj think, I am so foolish that Jagannath will like to give Seva and I am not taking. Then immediately take it. And also one Brahmin, Ghoshal, and the chairman of the municipality, Chagda, all are request Guru Maharaj immediately to take it. Otherwise, now there was no Archan Patra, no Sankha, not anything. If you wait some time, then all are finished. So, immediately. Then we take this place. Then Puri Goswami Maharaj in Chaitanya Vani, he wrote this fact. The Jagannath will wait for Madhav Maharaj. Kabe Madhavasi amai koribe sevan.
Maharaj, who was telling that who is the incarnation of Jagadish Pandit? I didn't understand that.
Huh?
Who was saying that you were saying somebody told that someone was the incarnation of Jagadish Pandit. I didn't understand. Did you understand that part?
The king is, means those who were Sevakas of that time, their incarnation of Jagadish Pandit. So better they should do it instead of us.
That is the opinion of our Guru Maharaj.
Yes. You are means descendants.
Descendant.
Descendant of Jagadish. So
And he is the last of that Vishwanath Goswami. But he is no issue. So he is afraid. And they are like to offer their deity to a Brahmin, not to others. Fortunately, they know our Guru Maharaj from a Brahmin family. and also Kulin Brahmin. And they are also Kulin Brahmin. So I offer it to him, and after that he may anything.
जय जगन्नाथ।
जय जगन्नाथ जय